Here we are, we're in Berlin at the Formula E race. It's qualifying day, it's race day, all in one. It's a little bit early, still waiting for people to come. We're in position nice and early, but it's going to be an interesting fight here today on the streets of Berlin at the old airport. And yeah, it's cool to be here. Porsche, we need to be here. It's very, very important for us to be here and race in this platform. We've got some tough opposition. All the big manufacturers are here. And we're going to the people in the street. We're going downtown. We're going urban. We've got this new generation of fans, coming for the sustainability side of where automotive is going. So that's important.
Es ist eine unglaubliche Herstellerdichte. Ich glaube, wir haben 10 Hersteller dann am Start in der 6. Saison. Es wird ein unglaublicher sportlicher Wettbewerb, der natürlich für uns auch extrem spannend ist. Wir wollen dort natürlich diese Plattform nutzen, um unseren Kunden bei Porsche zu zeigen, dass wir auch in Sachen E-Mobilität ganz vorne mit dabei sein. Wir wollen Technologie entwickeln in der Formel E, die relevant ist für zukünftige Straßenfahrzeuge bei Porsche. Und von daher wirklich, glaube ich, auch der ideale Zeitpunkt für uns, in der Saison 6 in die Formel E einzusteigen.
It's going to be a bit of a wait, but we're looking forward to it. I mean, we can't wait to hit the track and start testing, early next year, and then getting ready for obviously racing 1920. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a wait, but we're pumped up and looking forward to hitting the track soon.